The early 1960s could quite possibly be considered the dawn of performance roadsters. Of course, hardcore racers had always whipped fire-breathing drop tops around various tracks, but the majority of America's 50s convertibles were big, luxurious, cushy, and way too civilized to take serious turns. That's why cars like this nimble Austin-Healy 3000 gradually redefined how the domestic market interpreted open-air motoring. Small, tossable, and extremely fun right out of the box. This fully documented Mark I is a virtually spotless classic that was fully stripped and rotisserie restored by premier marquee specialist Fourintune Garage. One of only 1,691 BN7 roadsters produced, the car is innately exclusive. And if you're looking for a first-class Austin that's also a blast to drive, it's the big Healy of your dreams. For more information, call, click, or visit marquemotors.com.